Leroy, you ready for another pickup? Well, I'm here. What's next? I'm heading to the landside phone to find out. They want us to bring a string of empty cars back downhill. Hey, where are the conductor and brakeman? Don't worry, Leroy. Crew will be waiting for us. Good. I see the caboose is already attached to the string of cars. Hey, it looks like we need to get full in water before heading back down. All right, let's get that tank filled and get going. Hey, bring that spout over. Okay, that'll do it. Hey, remember, the caboose is already attached to the train. If you couple as hard as you normally do, you'll knock over the crew's coffee pot. You just keep the steam up, I'll take care of the throttle. All right, I warned you. Just keep the steam up.